Hey everyone, Gil or Grayman Prepping. Well, last night I took a round chuck roast, whatever, and I put it in the crock pot, and well, I'm going to show you what happened. So let me turn this down and we'll get to it. All right, so I took the roast, I cut it up in small pieces, smaller pieces, so I could put it in here, and without having to add a lot of liquid to it. But so lately, the grandkids have been asking for this. When I do this, they see me eating this type of meat, and they go, "Oh, can I have some?" They're eating it more than the taco meat. But this was on sale, 24% off at Sam's Club. So I went and got it. Getting spoons here and banging. So usually when I have it in there, it's really falling apart. But usually it's totally covered. It's just almost up to it, but it was steaming. Added to it, I added a couple tablespoons of the taco seasoning, added a couple tablespoons of garlic, quarter cup of diced onions, and dehydrated diced onions, and some Lowry seasoning salt, and the normal stuff. So, not sure how well this is going to hold together. Sometimes it just starts falling apart. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's soft. It's falling apart. So, hope I got the right size bowl for this. Bangy, bangy, bump, bump. Make sure there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna let this finish cooling down out for a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna put it in the fridge. And grandsons, when they come over this afternoon, are gonna want to eat some. So it's just one of the things I've been doing here to get me eating healthier and get the grandkids off of sugars. So, all right, see you around.